Are you curious how much assembly is involved in the brand new Secret Lab Titan Evo 2022? Stick around, we're about to put the chair together. Hey guys, it's Ryan with btodd.com. Due to popular demand, we have ordered a brand new Secret Lab Titan Evo 2022. We do have plans to do reviews and comparisons on this product, but as always, we like to start out with unboxings and assemblies. We already did the unboxing. I highly recommend checking that out if you're interested. And in this video, we're going to complete the assembly. So I'm just gonna basically walk through the process and assemble the chair so that you kind of have an idea of what you are getting into if you decide to order it. So one very cool thing about Secret Lab chairs is they give you this massive guide. It's not just a small sheet, a crinkly thing that's hard to read. It's got a ton of pictures, a bunch of words. It's really easy to follow their step-by-step process, and you're not gonna lose the assembly instructions because this thing is huge and it's impervious to water damage or swinging. Apparently not. Tack that back up there. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of follow along. Step one just says to remove everything, so we've already done that. Step two is gonna have us lay out the base and pop the casters in. So we've got a piece of foam that came with the packaging. Secret Lab recommends using this to not damage your floor. I agree it's a good idea. So we'll just pop these casters in quick. They go in very easy, actually. And boom. Okay. Step three, I need to put the cylinder in with the cover. Okay. So we'll pop that in there, and then just drop it in. Boom. Step three complete. Step four, remove the pre-installed screws. So a lot of gaming chair companies like to have their hardware pre-installed here. A lot of people think that they're missing the hardware. You're not, they're just in the sides. So we'll take the hardware here. What do we need? This, perfect. Oh, they're actually loose. Don't even need the wrench. Okay, there we go. Step five, slide the backrest on the right. Okay. I guess I can remove this now. All right. Take this off. Slide it in there. Is it all the way in? It's hard to tell. So all we're doing here, I'm gonna rotate it a little. So we're just sliding this onto here, then reattaching the two screws that we took off. Tighten these up a bit just to hold their position, but I'm not gonna tighten them all the way, just so that I have a little bit of room to work with if needed. Okay, so that's tightly on there. Step six, push the left recline bracket up to align with the screw holes, then tighten all four. Okay, so the two screws we took out, we now need to, let me rotate it, get it to line up here and attach these two bolts. Now, I will say that this is usually the trickiest part on most gaming chairs. A lot of times it'll require two people. Let's see if we can get this Secret Lab one by myself. Come on. All right, we got one. We should be able to do this. All right, we got both of them in there. So this part right here is usually a pretty big annoyance on most gaming chairs. Nice to see that it's not a huge deal on this one. We'll just tighten these all up. Finally got this side snugged up. We'll tighten this side all the way now. Okay, so we've got, what was that, step 5, 6 complete. Okay, step 7, just install the magnetic covers. So flip this back around straight. We just need to pop these covers on. Which side do they go? Like this? Or like this? Okay, so snap on nice. I feel like they'll stay. Okay. Moving on to step 8. Remove the recline strap. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the red screw. Okay. A bit awkward because the plastic handle blocks it a little bit, but you can still kind of get it in there. Okay, that's off. That just locks the backrest recline. Step 10, flip the chair over. Okay. And then we're going to put the mech handles on the mech. So here's the mech. We just need to put a handle on each side. Doesn't look like they're different from each other. Let me see if there's... So they've got the picture like this. And on the right side it comes back, left side it goes forward. Okay. Okay, so we've got handles for our mech. And we got to put the mech on the seat. And we've got to go this way. They've got a nice little diagram here that shows you, that's nice. We'll put in each bolt loosely here just to hold it in place. And I assume we tighten them fully. Yep. Crank down on these quick. All right, we've got our mech fully tightened. Lift the assembled wheelbase and insert the hydraulic piston into the chair. Okay, this is... Okay. 14. Flip the chair over while holding the wheelbase. Okay. Step 15 is just to put the arm caps on. So, like so. That's it. All we're missing is the headrest. Voila. There's our fully assembled Secret Lab Titan Evo 2022. Make sure to subscribe. We will have reviews, comparisons on this chair as well as the brand new Omega chair. Thanks a lot for watching.